January calendar 2026. First day is a new year, second is Kumaragasa Jayanti, third is Banda Hanume, fourth is Kotaravasa, fifth is Kondavura CF, sixth is Sankranti Chaturthi, seventh Tyagaraja Aradhana, ninth Udupi Spatostava starts, 10th Swami Vivekanandaji's, 11th Kalastami, 12th National Youth Day, 13th Prashavanth birthday, 14th Bogi Feast, 15th Makara Sankranti, 16th Udupi Chunotsav, 17th Masa Shivratri, 18th Thai or Avatri Amma, 19th Amanakatte Punorotsav, 20th Kadri CF Kurur Utsav, 21st Mauna Gauri Vrata, 22nd Kunda Chaturthi, 23rd Vasanta Panchami, 24th Kumara Shasti, 25th Ratha Saptami, 26th Republic Day, 27th Madhvanavami, 28th Odiyur Tinti CF, 29th Jaya Bhishma Yaka, 30th Sarvodaya Day, 31st Mysuru CF. It's all about January 26th.